Penelope, do you have the hiccups? What do you think of the hiccups? Do you like them?